Let's create a very easy sunset picture. Grab your crayons or oil pastels. Draw a slightly wavy line across the middle of your paper using one color. This is your horizon line, dividing the sky from the ground. Press firmly so the line is nice and strong. Under that, draw two more wavy lines with two different colors to make three hills. Now fill each hill with lines that follow its shape. Your lines can be long or short. I use two colors for each hill, the outline color and another similar color. But you can choose your own colors or use more than two if you like. Remember to press firmly with your crayon or oil pastel. Next, draw a big circle for the sun going down behind the horizon. You can draw it freehand or trace around the cup. Inside the circle, add broken swirling lines using two or more colors. To create sun rays in the sky, draw short or long lines pointing toward the center of the sun. Choose any colors you like. This is your artwork, so feel free to change the colors of nature. Now take your watercolor or liquid watercolor and paint over your drawing. If you pressed hard enough, your lines will stay visible and resist the paint, creating a cool texture. This technique is called crayon resist. To keep your picture clear and not too busy, try not to use too many colors. I use one color for the sun, two colors for the sky, and one color for each hill. And that's it. I hope you had fun creating this easy sunset picture. It's quick to make, so you might want to try more versions with different colors. See you soon!